Jai Gurudev. Agenda of today's meeting. We start this program with a prayer, followed by the welcome address, etiquette, introduction of teachers, activities from the month of April, interaction time, vote of thanks. Let us start the program with the invocation of Almighty. Prayer song by Mr. Bala. Bala sir. Thank you, Bala sir. Welcome address by Mrs. Khairgiri. On behalf of the management and the staff members of MIRS, it is my privilege and honor to welcome our highly distinguished parents to this PTF. Indeed, you are all highly appreciated to be present at this meeting. This is a testimony to the concern and commitment you all share for the welfare and education of our children. Once more, permit me to appreciate and salute parents for the high level of cooperation demonstrated in many areas in running of the school. Dear parents, it is our goal to never rest on our lines, but to always strive forward to the attainment of excellence. In this task, we need all hands to be on deck, as well as the unflinching support and the unusual cooperation of parents. You have really been wonderful. Once again, I thank you all for your attentiveness and urge you all to be free to offer any constructive suggestions you may have for us. I thank you once again. Next, we have a set of rules to be followed during the meeting, the etiquettes to be followed by the parents during this meeting. Audio should be muted from the beginning to the end to avoid disturbance. Audio should be unmuted whenever you want to speak. Only one person should speak at a time. Parents, those who want to speak, should use raise your hands option. Video should be on from the beginning till the end of the program in order to see the parent's face. In case if you don't get the chance for speaking, please don't feel sorry. Send your queries to the chat box. The minutes of the meeting will be shared with you later. Next, it is the introduction of the teachers. We have the following teachers with us now. From Computer Science Department, we have Mr. Shanmugam and Mr. Balamurugan. Mr. Shanmugam and Mr. Balamurugan is with us from the Department of Computer Science. From the Department of Maths, we have Mr. Srinivasa Prasad. From the Department of Chemistry, we have Ms. Vanita with us today. And from Department of English, we have Lakshmi Priya and Kyle Vidu. The following teachers are present with us today. Parents, you can just feel free to ask any queries to the following teachers. From the Department of English, it is Mrs. Kyle Vidu and Mrs. Lakshmi Priya. From the Department of Computer Science, it is Mr. Shanmugam and Mr. Balamurugan. From the Department of Maths, it is Mr. Srinivasa Prasad. From the Department of Chemistry, we have Ms. Vanita with us. So over to Mr. Shanmugam for the slides related to COVID awareness and the activities of the school. Shanmugam sir, you can take up now.
Jai Gurudev. The world is facing a huge crisis due to this COVID pandemic situation, and we are teaching to the students a set of 15 promises, and also we would like to highlight to the parents these 15 promises should be laid down and followed to just come out of this pandemic situation. First promise, greet without physical contact. Second promise, maintain physical distance. Third, wear reusable face cover or mask. Fourth, avoid touching eyes, nose, and mouth with bare hands. 5. Maintain respiratory hygiene. 6. Wash your hands frequently and thoroughly. 7. Do not chew tobacco or etc. and or spit in public places. Regularly clean with disinfectant. Promise 9. Avoid unnecessary travel. Promise 10. Do not discriminate against anyone, particularly who are affected with COVID. Promise 11. Discourage crowd, encourage safety. Put yourself away from the crowd. Promise 12. Do not circulate social media posts which carry negative information. Promise 13. Seek information on COVID-19 from credible sources. Promise 14. Call National toll-free helpline 1075 if you have any queries related to COVID. Seek psychosocial support for any stress or anxiety. These are the set of 15 promises to be followed and maintained to come out of the present pandemic situation. Then, even though in this pandemic situation, the school is continued to support and run the day-to-day schooling activities. We have conducted as a school, we have conducted enormous amount of school activities that are planned earlier. This situation didn't hold us, and we are proceed to march forward. And we share some of the school activities with you. You can go through. Bala sir. So as an individual departments, they have laid down a lot of activities, and you can go through later. Right now, directly I would like to take you to the interaction session. Interaction time. Parents, those who want to speak, please use raise your hand options so that we will call one by one in a pseudo random manner, so that you can have a chat with the teachers and clarify your doubts. Sharvant Raj, parent of Sharvant Raj, you can unmute yourself and just talk with the teachers if you have any queries or any suggestions, please.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, sir. I'm happy to be here, understanding about how schools are taking a lot of initiatives in this pandemic situation in order to continue the